Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You should have your Sky Hub model, account login, and any ISB paperwork ready. First, plug the hub into the mains and switch it on. LEDs will flash. This indicates boot sequence. Next, connect the broadband/phone cable to the WAN port for FTTC or the dedicated fiber socket for FTTP. Once done, make sure the power and broadband LEDs show steady light. That confirms the device is powered and attempting network sync before moving to configuration. You now connect a laptop by Ethernet or pick the SSID from the hub label to join Wi-Fi. Open a browser and go to 192.168.0.1 or follow the Sky Setup portal. Log in with the admin credentials provided. In the Setup wizard, select your Wi-Fi name and create a strong passphrase, then change the hub admin password to something unique. Once you apply settings, the hub will reboot. Wait until LEDs return to a stable state to ensure configuration applied correctly. Finish by testing connectivity. Load several websites and run a speed test to confirm performance matches your plan. Place the hub centrally for best Wi-Fi coverage and reposition antennas if applicable. Make sure it is away from appliances and thick walls. If you encounter issues, power cycle the hub, receipt cables, and verify LED patterns against the setup guide. If still offline, contact Sky Support and provide the hub MAC serial and the specific LED error indications so they can diagnose line or provisioning problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.